Hey guys, welcome to Level 3 Readiness. I need your help. I'm trying to do the hand drill and I'm getting close. This is my fireboard. It's a piece of cedar. Got a nice spot right there where I have really worked burning it in. This is a piece of dog fennel and this is the end I'm working with. So I want you guys to watch me. Tell me what you think I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing anything wrong. Maybe it's my materials, maybe it's my technique. So here we go. I'm gonna set the camera up to catch me doing what I'm doing. All right, so my technique is this, and I'm floating. Again, when I'm floating, I'm putting downward pressure. I'm not exerting a lot of energy while I do this. My idea is to do this, just warm the spot up before I start to really drive down the shaft with pressure. So, you know, this is the first thing I'm doing. I hope with the angle, you know, that you can catch this. I'm gonna stop just for a minute and check the footage and make sure you can see me floating and make sure we're doing okay there. Hear the squeaking starting. All right, and as I heard the squeaking, a lot of times that's telling me I've got some hard on hard, and so I'm gonna clean the edges up here, fresh edges. I don't know, am I doing that right? Am I making a mistake here or not? You tell me. This is something I kind of do with my bow drills too. But again, not sure that everything that has to do with a bow drill works as well with the hand drill. So set this up again. You can see here this one burned in really good, got a lot of smoke, a lot of char, but never got ignition. This right here is the new hole I'm trying to really get burned in. But again, I'm just going to do this floating for a good little bit, and then I will start to work it a little faster coming down here. It's like 18, and I'm starting to see some smoke. And so this is kind of what I will I'll continue to do. Now I've got a burned in end, And this is the color char that we're getting from the cedar and dog fennel. I'd say it's a nice dark brown. All right, so I'm gonna take a breather. I'm gonna get me a catcher and I'm gonna go at it and see if we can't get a pile of char, and again, get your critique on what we got going on here with the dog fennel and the cedar. All right, so you guys watch me and let's see what we can do here. Now at this point, after I've burned it in, should I do some more floating? I will, just for the sake of it. All right, now we're going to drive down it. Oh man. Ah. Now obviously, I'm starting to breathe heavy here. But I'm seeing a nice bit of smoke, a nice bit of char, and by all rights of the means of it all, I would hope to have an ember. But I do not. All right. So, I'm going to freeze the scene here and let you get a look at everything. Try to get as still as I can. I'm still shaking from the effort. Again, that char is a nice dark brown. The spindle here, nice and burned in. A hole nice and burned in. And you saw that? All right, so you're getting an idea of what I'm looking at, right? So I'm gonna recoup, come back at it. I'll drill a little more again this evening and see if we can get any different result. Hey guys, back at it later this evening, and I just want to show you the fireboard. The sun's shining a little better and I can see some glossing over on the cedar. So that, I don't know, could be impeding me some in reaching the ignition point, but I'm going to give it another go, let you watch and see what I do, and kind of going to focus down here on the fireboard. I'm going to set it up right here, hold it in place. right in there. Alright, so I'm just going to be floating a little bit. And look at there. More downward pressure floating so that they don't lift. I'm already starting to smell it, so I know things are heating up. Alright, so now I'm going to do some passes down the spindle. Getting good smoke now. Something's like it cracked. Probably the tin that I'm using for a catch. Man. But yeah, it's really maybe I'm bearing down too hard or something here. Not angling it quite right. And I'm getting ready to lose steam. But yeah, you can tell I'm black here. I'll show you the fireboard from my perspective. And you heard it squeaking. So yeah, I don't know, it's like, is there a better fireboard for me? Alright, I have got me some repellent on. just the board. All right, so that's really all I've got. And a request of anybody really who knows how to do the hand drill, critique me, tell me what's going on. Just so you know, I can do a bow drill, collect an ember. Sometimes I can blow it to flame. But, you know, again, I see the char build up just like I would a bow drill. I see the smoke start to billow just like I do a bow drill. I don't really know if there's anything else that you guys are seeing that I am not seeing. Hey, I'll thank you in advance for your input. And again, thanks a lot, I appreciate it already. But this is level 3 readiness, reminding you, finish what you start, finish strong. I'm gonna get an ember and be ready for anything because it's coming. Level 3 out. I gotta quit. I'm going to eat my hands up if I don't.